everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Heather from Strings and Threads, and I'm excited that this month Teresa from Critters Crochet and I are starting Battle of the Stitches back up. So if you are already familiar with it, welcome back, and I hope that you decide to participate with us. If you're not familiar with Battle of the Stitches, it's something that we came up with several years ago. We've been doing this for a long time. We had to take a break because we both had knee surgery and stuff going on in our lives. And unfortunately, I am going to be having my second knee surgery next Friday. But I will have pre-recorded the rest of bots for you. And then hopefully by the time we do the live, I'll be good enough to be able to do the live with you guys. But what Battle of the Stitches is we've been working in order through the book, 200 Crochet Stitches by Tracy Todd Hunter, and we pick one stitch a month in order. We do a tutorial for what the stitch is. We make up our own design that uses that stitch, and then we have giveaways for whoever votes on the one they like the best. So we try to make it a big fun thing. And we usually invite guests to join us each month. So we'll have up to 2 other people that could join us. As of the recording of this, I'm actually pre-recording this as well. Right now, it's just Teresa and I. We may have picked somebody else up. So if we did, I'll list them in the description. But the stitch for this month is Fan Lace Stitch. It's really, really pretty, nice and open and airy. And if you want to know how to make it, I have a tutorial on my channel for how to make it. So make sure you check that out. Next week, I'll give you a sneak peek of what I've made, and you can take some guesses and see if you can figure out what it is. The following week, the design will come out and I'll have a tutorial for it, and then you guys can vote. And then the last Wednesday of the month, Teresa and I will go live and we'll do a drawing for those people who voted, and whoever we pick will be the winner of the prize of their choice. It doesn't have to be the winning prize, but you can choose whichever of the projects that you like the best, and we'll send it to you. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, put them in the description below. If you want to join in with us, please shoot either me or Teresa an email. Our emails are always in our description, and have fun with us. See ya later. Bye.